Okay, so we are at the point in our content creating journey where we have started receiving drumroll PR packages. Yes. Okay, so today I'm so excited about this too. So today we have 4 packages that we're gonna open on camera, live and in person. So this one I started to open it and I was like, we gotta make a video about this. Okay, so this first package is from, so this is from Feeling Girl LLC. They sell shapewear, though, anything to get you snatched, and I think like all those type of things. So I'm excited about that. They also sell lingerie. So let's see what type of things they sent us. Okay, so they sent us a slamming and smoothing body shaper. Comfort line. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's black and white, looks like, and it's adorable. So it's lace, so it's like a black and cream lace. So it's a body shaper. It says tummy, waist, and back coverage. Shaper for women, gives you all the control you desire. So we're definitely gonna have to try this on. It looks a little wide right here, but you know how shapewear goes, and it end up snatching you up. Let's open up the other one. Okay, so this right here, let's open it. This one, we got some tummy control shorts with a zipper. I cannot wait to try these on for you guys. Definitely gonna be trying these on, and they definitely come with the waist cinches in the middle. So I can't wait to try these on for you so we can get snatched. And there's one more thing in here. Let us see. Drum roll. Okay, we got a full shaper. And it says, let's see. Okay, so this one is like a camisole, so it has the boot part here, and it stretches out, so it looks like it's shorts. It's a full short shaper with the spaghetti straps. Okay, so that's our first PR package. Our next PR package is from none other than Topicals. Okay, so let's see what we got here from Topicals, which is an amazing skincare brand that we all know. I've actually never used Topicals, so I'm really excited to see what we got up in here today. Topicals, love the inside of this box. Absolutely. And they sent us their brightening and clearing serum. So I'm excited to try that and give you guys a full review. All right, next we have, this is from Raelle Beauty. Okay, I'm excited. Raelle is actually in Ulta, so look, we're getting somewhere. Guys. Let's open it up and see what Raelle sent us. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Okay, Raelle sent us a lot of stuff. Raelle sent us their retinol chin mask. Okay, it's the 2-step treatment to balance and hormonal skin. And oh my gosh, we got all kinds of goodies in here. We got their exfoliating cleanser. Cannot wait to use this. I actually used this before and I like it. And they sent us their barrier cream. So it's for immediate hydration for barrier support. Cannot wait to try this. It's a moisturizer basically. So we have a cleanser, exfoliator, tone, treat, and moisturize. This is step 5. And then they sent us a complete acne serum. Thank you so much, Raelle. I cannot wait to try. I've actually tried that cleanser before and I love it. And we have one more. Drum roll for the last one. Our last package comes from Raelle again. Okay, don't play with Raelle. Raelle sent us another package. I'm excited. This be feeling like Christmas. Y'all don't even understand. Okay, Raelle sent us some organic cotton cover pads with leak locker. So they actually have some pads in here for us. And this, you guys sent these right on time. So this is actually the overnight pad. So I will give you guys an update because this is the right timing for this. They sent us some heating patches for menstrual cramps. It's a soothing heat treatment. Y'all was right on time with all this. And then a miracle patch. So this is for a pimple patch. We don't have any period pimples, thank God, right now. So we're not gonna be able to try that one. And this is pain relief roll-on for cramps, temporarily relieves PMS aches and cramps and pains. Y'all, this is so cool. Like, I get to try all of this like right now. And it says for PMS pain relief. I cannot wait to try this and get back to you guys. And I just want to say, like, if you're on your content creating journey, I've actually been creating content on and off probably since consistently, probably like since 2021 is where I really got into content. But then so much of life happened and I wasn't consistent with it, and I've picked it back up over the last year. I've like decided to really take it serious. And now that I've been taking it serious, I have now just scored my first paid partnership. When that's done, I'll tell you guys more about that. I'm actually in my email right now. I'm working on my second paid partnership. And we have started to receive PR packages from well-known brands inside of our favorite beauty stores. So this is just a sign to keep going. And once I started getting all these packages, I was like, girl, you're getting PR packages, period. These are things that you wanted to do and were reaching out to brands like months and months ago to try to do it. But just stay consistent and they'll see you. Until next time, guys. And I'm going to give you an update on all these things.